In this video I will walk you through a comparison of the different options available for the Nanopolix scratch remover. When looking at this product line, you are essentially choosing between different application styles and kit sizes, ranging from a basic paste to a full cloth-based kit. The standout contrast here is between the standard 3.53 fluid ounce Ultimate Scratch Remover Paste, which is often used for deeper repairs, and a specialized cloth scratch remover kit that claims to eliminate scratches in just 60 seconds. While the paste is a traditional polishing compound, the cloth kit offers a more convenient all-in-one solution for minor paint scuffs and water spots. For those dealing with simple surface issues like swirl marks, the 100 ml paste option that includes 3 specialized cloths for around $21 represents the best value for getting a complete shine. However, if you are strictly focused on deep scratch repair, the repair paste sold individually for roughly $19 is the targeted choice. It is worth noting that customer feedback across these variations is currently mixed, with some versions receiving lower ratings than typical premium compounds, suggesting these are best suited for light cosmetic touch-ups rather than major bodywork. Whether you choose the paste or the cloth, both are marketed as being safe for all paint colors. Make sure to check the shipping details as delivery times can vary significantly depending on the seller. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the Nanopolix lineup. Let me know in the comments if you have tried these on your car, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive product reviews and comparisons.